Kaburam bat akor kalong kabadon kam. Laong kakong Paidolin el Nonglat District School Education Officer habakran kum kakongsan. Haka program ban penkup bor ki saupuh nyongut ki kena school jong karib hoi Presbytarian High Secondary School Nongpoh. Bakin long kum ki guide ki bapura jong kate ke school. Ya kate ke program lapan long mentak sengi kah nyau terik ujeliu harib hoi Presbytarian High Secondary School Nongpoh. Hakati ke sengi ke kong Paidolin el Nonglan kala pendengi ke scarf bat ki shoulder badge syaki guide ki Bathymmai haka bala senran langru da uba adekar SD SEO karib hoi. Hakati ke sengi laidon langru da ka kong Di Nongneng District Secretary Bharat Scouts and Guides kong LM Rani ex guide captain Ubabu W Radu Principal Ribhoi Presbyterian High Secondary School Reverend DR Suting MC jangka school kong I Khongjo guide captain ki kemiki kepa kino hikai lemar ki khana school. Kuman syet ho lengkon ka kenhon juga scouts and guides hakan ke school kelas dang nadu ka khandre terik ubenai nailar khat khandai spak khandai phuwei. Da ka jingdon tang ar phuwei ngut ki khana hadu ka ni ka singi ladon hadu lai phu ar ngut ki guide ki barai yo eka president award bat riu phu ngut ki barang yo eka guide governor award bat hadu menta ka ni ka school kadang la ban sei tang wei scout ban yo eka president award.
From now onward, after enrolling, you will be the first leader of our Scout and Guides, and you have to try to be truthful and honest to your duty to God, to the country, and to help other people, and try to do a good turn every day. Now I request
Haribhoi district Nalabanong ila sedang ha country turik u agar kat kendai spa kendai puwei da kajingdon tak tumba au puwei ngut ikena yung snem au kat kendai spa kendai puwei da kajingdon jong ki au puwei kena layar kajingyai lenti na do kata ngadai gai kapten hange hapo RVP hadu usnam arhajar kat kendai ya kabangam la shuban trei namar kejing ban biang kejing koi ikhya jongahi te kawai kabang kwa ban yetu epi isno sarong hadu kata kata banani na school jongin kila don live for armut ki guides ki balayo ya president award hajalhi but me to what today kirang yo ya governor award na president kita dan way scout visual right kita way scout udang yo ya president award nimpa don scout master ila ina fresh scout na kuntau scout de kajip kuble kalong ya ki kmigi pa ya ki no hikai baro ki balai kirsan kaman kakti katiang nadu usnam arja kat kendai hadu une usnam te hapreng kini usnam adon kejing bamla shu kejonga hapo kan sem duty to God, duty to country, help other people, karhem Henry asok men hadu kata bong news nem habai miss chungi miss khongjo lawan man training mari ong ngan plino ke unit ong to ngan kersian ya pi na dien compare bangilala ban kencok hadu kene sini ngai ku blai ki pa bangila yo pan renew biang ye scout and guide school chungi ini ki member ki jongaro ki baklon ha banyaram daya ba ngahi na ngayo experience dalatihi akan ka scout and guide nganay ka priyo ka baleran bid nganay ka priyo ka basyong mek sikamdong nganay ka priyo ka baduna haki ay baro henry nga sngaw lada nga join ka ni ka scout and guide kaway kajing mantoy ka bayo kalong nga yo mensim ngamlong shu ka basyektin ngamlong shu ka baduk mensim naman
and methods conceived by the founder of this organization, Lord Baden-Powell, in 1907. It is really a very, very wide field. Just like Madame Rani had mentioned, that she never able to talk, she never always used to hide in the corner, maybe in the classroom or anywhere, but by joining to this organization, she is open everything. So you also, dear student, you can now joining this organization of Scout and Guide. It is you open the door. It will open your door. You can disclose the hidden potential. Whatever potential you have now by joining this, it will be open. The door will be open for you. Because through your camping days, so many programs I know, this will help you to open your potential which is still hidden in your side. Then, regarding the principle of the Bharat Scout and Guide, they have very important principles. These principles, they are the duty to God, duty to others, duty to self, duty to promise of the law, and learning by doing. So many duties, so many principles they have to follow. But let me mention a little bit here regarding these principles. Let me just cite only one. That is duty to self. For unless you do your duty, you develop yourself, you love yourself, you cannot do any duty to others. First, it should be within. I cannot give any love or respect to others if I myself don't have love and respect myself. My stock of love and respect is empty, so how can I give to others? So first of all, we should have love and respect myself. Love and respect yourself. Because at this generation, especially what we have seen, majority of the youth, they didn't love themselves. They don't respect themselves. Drinks which have been spoiling their future, that means they do not respect themselves. So, very important is, first, do the duty for yourself, love yourself, respect yourself.